how to use ease in, ease out in CapCut. Hey everybody, in order to do so, you may follow up these simple steps. In order to do that, once you placed your video in this timeline, you should be finding it like this. Just go ahead and select up the video that you would like to do the edit with. I've selected this video right here. Once you've selected that, on the left side of your screen, you should be finding an edit button. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you will be finding different options on the screen. Now from the given options on screen, look out for the option called animations, which is right in the middle of speed and effects. Tap on it after you navigate it. After tapping on navigation, we have in, out, and combo option. So you can basically go ahead and add ease in, ease out directly by basically selecting first in, after that selecting out, and you can also select up a combo which will directly apply of the in and out feature. So if you are trying to look out for it individually, first thing is you can tap on in and select out the effect from hit. Similarly from out and select out the effect from it. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and check right. Otherwise, you can select up the combo option as well. So which will basically go ahead and easily add out the effect. So you can just go ahead and do that, and you can also adjust the settings for your effects to be applied. Like for how much second of the part of the video. After that, click on right, and then you can just go ahead and export the video. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do that. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.